Welcome to Math Soul. In this video, we are going to learn how to do the algebraic fractionals addition or subtraction. It's exactly the same principle that we used for arithmetic fractional additions and subtraction. So let's have a look at one example. If we have x plus 2 over, or we can say x plus 3 probably. You can say x plus 3 over 2 plus x minus 2 over 5. So you can see that it's kind of fractions, but extra things x here. That's why it's saying it's algebraic. When it's a pronumeral is there, we are saying it's algebraic fraction. But as I said, the principle is the same. And if you can remember correctly that we have to make our denominator same. That is the first step. And then when you have the denominator same, you just need to add. If it's the addition, then you just need to add the numerators. And we are doing the same thing here. We have 2 and 5. What is the least common multiples of 2 and 5? I believe you guys already know. 2 and 5, the least common multiples is 10. So what we can do, we need to make it 10. We need to make it 10. How we can make this 10? Okay, first write down the original fraction, and then we are thinking to make it 10. And you know that if you multiply by 5, it would be 10. But if you multiply by 5 in the denominator, you have to multiply the 5 in the numerator. Now, how to make this one 10? You have to multiply by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So same way you have to multiply on the top as well. Now, so we are multiplying 5, 5, 2, 2. And we have now, you can see 10, 10. So our common denominator would be 10. So if you have 10 in the common denominator, the next step is you have to add the numerators. So we can just add the numerators like that. I am just keeping this one. Otherwise, we might make a mistake if there is a negative sign. So I always prefer to leave like 5 times of that fraction. So make sure when you're multiplying, you are multiplying the whatever on the top. If it is a 3 different components, you have to multiply all these 3. Okay, and if it is a sign negative, you have to put the negative sign. So I'm not expanding this, and I'm not opening the bracket here, but so I'm just leaving it for this step like this. Then if you go for next one, you just say 5x plus 15. So 5 times x, we know how to expand it by using the distributive law. So 5 times x, 5x, and 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2x minus 4. So now if you simplify it, or adding the like terms, 5x plus 2x, which is 7x, and then 15 minus 4, which is plus of 11, plus 15 minus 4 is plus 11, and plus 5x plus 2x, which is plus 7x. And this is the final answer. So this is the simplified form for this expression, the fractional expressions. Okay, let's have a look at another example. If you have 3 over x minus 6 and minus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, x minus 6, x minus 2. How we can make the denominator same? It's not a number. So what is the least common multiple in this case? Okay. You probably think, oh, why not just making x plus 2 here and x minus 6 here? Yes. You can multiply this one here. So x minus 6 is already here and 3 on the top. And we have 2 and x plus 2 in the bottom. So what we can do, we can just multiply x plus 2 here and then multiply x minus 6 here. So what is the extra part here? X plus 2 is extra. So put x plus 2 on the top. So in order to keep the value same. Similar way, we are putting x minus 6 extra. So you just put x minus 6 on the top to make it same. So now you can see that we have the similar denominator, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 6, x plus 2, x minus 6. So when we have the similar denominator, x minus 6, x plus 2, you know what is the next step? Next step is just adding the top part. So we can say 3 times x plus 2 minus 2 times x minus 6. I am again keeping that as it is because I realize students often do mistake when they jump, when they directly do the multiplication, they forgot to multiply with the negative sign as well. So I always prefer to leave like that, and in the next step you can expand it. So x minus 6, x plus 2, then if you expand it, it's a 3x plus 6 minus 2x, then minus minus getting positive, then 6 times 2 is 12. So if you finalize the answer, it would be x minus 6 and x plus 2, and then on the top it would be 3x minus 2x, which is x, 6 plus 12, which is 18. So the answer would be x plus 18 over x minus 6 times x plus 2. So some students, I realize, they try to expand this part. Don't do that, because remember we are doing simplifying. So why we are making the expansion again? So we are trying to simplify. So whatever in there already simplified from. So don't try to expand it unnecessarily. And that's all. So any question, if there is a number in the denominator, or doesn't matter if they're pronumeral in the denominator, so we can follow the same strategy what we followed for the arithmetic addition or subtraction. I'm just leaving 2 questions for the students to answer, and I believe if you understand this lesson, you could answer these questions. And if you have any trouble to understand this or solving these questions, please let me know in the comment box. X minus 2 over 8, we need to add with 2x plus 4 over 12. And the second question could be 3x over x plus 1 plus x over 4 times x plus 1. Thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe the channel and see the all up-to-date videos. Thank you.